Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And this video today I'm going to show you how you can own a profitable blog that makes money online. You see, one of the cool ways online that you can make money is owning a blog. And in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to own this blog that will be making you money consistently, either with affiliate marketing or with AdSense or with sponsorship. So you are going to know how you can own such blog in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end without skipping or forwarding any area of this video, because you're going to miss a lot. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Osakwe Nelson, as you can see. So I make videos around affiliate marketing, digital marketing, how to own a blog, profitable blogging business, and every other thing that has to do with making money online. I shoot those videos or teach them in my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button here and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn the notification bell to all. Once I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you gain value from this video. So guys, let's dive into the video tutorial today. How do you own a profitable WordPress blog that makes you money consistently? You see, there are many ways to go about this, but there are only single way that I recommend, and that is what I'm about to share with you guys in this video. You see, there are two different kinds of platforms that you can use to build your blog in the internet. We have blogger.com, we have bloggerspot.com, we have free WordPress, and so many other softwares like that you can build your blog. But in all of these softwares, the best of it is WordPress. That is self-hosting, hosting your blog by yourself. That will help you to have full control of it. So as you can see in my screen here, you see this blogger.com. This blogger.com platform, it gives you access or the opportunity to build your blog completely free. You are not paying for hosting, you are not paying for domain, you are not paying for anything, completely free. So if you want to learn how to build your blog on blogspot.com or blogger.com, check on my previous video. I make video on how to build a blog on blogger.com. So check the video, and I will also link the video up so you can learn how to do that. But do you know the cool thing or the side effect of this blog? The side effect is that you don't have control over all these blogs, over all this free WordPress blog, free hosting, and like this one. You don't have full control of your blog. Because why? Building your blog or your website in such platform is just like a person who rents an apartment. You rent apartment and the owner can throw you out anytime. That is how it is building your blog or your website on any of these free hosting or blogging platform. So the owner of the house or the owner of the tent can throw you out anytime. So you are getting it. So building your blog on free WordPress blog or blogger.com, you see, these people, these companies can throw you away anytime. And maybe by that time you have labored enough, you have worked on your blog, and at that time they throw you out. What can you do? You bear your fate. So, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to build your blog in a standard self-hosting platform that makes you money consistently. So guys, let's stop too much talking. Let's dive into the business of the day. So this is what I'm talking about right here. This is what I'm talking about right here. So because of the love I have for you guys, because I want to assist you guys to make money online, at least get something doing in this 2022 to 2023. So I've decided, I myself have decided to do a done for you blog setup. I've decided to do, as you can see here, done for you. Discover how to own a profitable WordPress blog with 5 original content. So this is what I've decided to do for you guys. I've decided to build a profitable WordPress blog for you with 5 original articles on any inch. And you know the cool things, you are not going to do anything. You're not going to touch anything. You're not going to do anything. I will be the one that is going to handle all of this. And mind you that this offer is not meant for everybody. This offer is only meant for those who want to go into blogging but they don't know how to go about it. That is number one. This offer is meant for those set of people who are working 9 to 5 job and they want to go into blog but they doesn't have the time to put in doing all of this. These are the people this offer is going for. So it's not meant for everybody. It's meant for those people who really want to make money from blogging. So those are the people I am offering this offer. So I'm doing a complete done for you blogging setup. You're not doing anything, and it's going to come with article, going to come up with how to make money on it. So you are going to see all of that in this place. So what will we do for you in our done for you blog? What am I going to do for you? Let's look at it here. Let's start from here. I'm going to leave the link at the description of this video, so you can also go to the description of this video to read more about this particular offer. So make sure you click the first link at the description of this video to get in touch with me on how to get started. So look at it. Done for you covers the below. We will set up your blog in any inch of your interest, either news blog, food inch, fashion inch, education, entertainment, and any other. So this blog I'm going to build for you, or I and my team are about to build for you, is we are going to set up this blog for you on any inch of your interest, any inch that you want to go into, either news, food inch, fashion, whichever inch that you want. That is where we are going to build this blog for you. And number two, we are going to give your blog a mobile responsive blog design. That is going to be a mobile friendly design. The blog is going to be a mobile friendly design. The mobile phone can access it. When mobile phone access it, it's going to look pretty fine, going to look good, going to look cool. So that is what we are also going to do for you. And not just that, we are going to also publish 5 articles for you that records on Google. Going to publish 5 articles for you that records on Google. And your blogging will be hosting. It's going to be hosted with best hosting company. The best hosting company is what we are going to use to host your blog. And we're going to create this blog. This is it here. We're going to create this blog, and it's going to be a mobile friendly and responsive WordPress blog on all devices. All devices can access it, and also it's going to come up with a About Me page. Some blog does have those About Me page, contact page, service page, and all that, but this blog we're going to do for you is going to come up with all of those pages. And not just that, the content we are going to publish is going to be about 800 to 1000 word count per article. That is amazing. The content we're going to articles, the content are going to be 800 to 1000 word count. And your blog also will be secure with one of the best plugin, one of the best security plugin. That is what we are going to use for you in this blog. So it's going to be a complete done for you. Everything you need is going to be on this blog. You say, why did we decide to do this? I decided to do this with my team because I discovered that recently a lot of people are want to go into blog. If you handle a research now, if you go into research, you discover that a lot of people are interested in going into blogging, but majority of these people has challenge on how to get started. And that is why I come up with this done for you setup blog to help those who want to go into blogging but they don't know how to go about it. They don't know what it requires. So that is why I and my team have decided to handle this service for those set of people to do this work for them. And this done for you blog will help you to solve the problem of trying to figure things out all by yourself. Those of you try and error, you want to try whether you can do it or not. This setup blogging, this done for you blogging is going to help you solve the problem of trying to figure things all by yourself. You are going to sit down, we handle the work for you and deliver to you. Number 2 here is we are going to do everything for you. Everything. All you need is give us a domain name and your email address. Your money will then work for you. And not just that, owning a blog now becomes so easy for you. Owning a blog now becomes so easy. You don't need to start from scratch, cracking your brain and all that. Then you'll be among the Nigerian bloggers, and you are going to make money from this blog. I'm going to make cool money from this blog. So that is what we are going to do for you in this done for you blog setup, so you can start your blogging journey. Now, done for you blog, discover the 12 benefits the done for you blog covers. What are the benefits? You know, most of us, if we want to get something, we always try to find out, if I own this blog, what are going to be my benefit? If I own this blog, what will be my benefit? Now let's look at the benefits I'm going to offer these people who get this blog. Number one, hosting for 1 year. I'm giving you free hosting for 1 year, and this hosting are good hosting company. I'm not talking about local hosting, I'm talking about international hosting companies. So this set of people I'm going to do this done for you blog, I'm not hosting that blog in the local hosting company. I'm going to host that blog in international hosting company, and this hosting company will be going for 1 year completely free. For 1 year you are not paying a dime. Number two, the domain for 1 year completely free. You are not so paying for the domain. Hosting, you are not paying for it. Domain, you are not paying for it. SSL certificate for 1 year completely free. This SS certificate means this is it, as you can see it right here. This is it right here. This key here is SS certificate. This thing you are seeing here. So every blog has it. Any blog, any hosting that does not have it, you know that blog is not secure. You know, if you visit some blogs, sometimes you see that it said this blog is not secure, or this website is not secure. It's because it does not have this particular stuff. Number three here. So we're going to give you this completely free for 1 year, and not just that, a very mobile responsive design. And not just that, number five is going to be optimized for SEO. I will configure the blog for you for SEO, so that it will help you to rank on Google. And not just that, you can gain free traffic from Google. So I'm going to optimize or customize the blog for SEO. Then number five, we're going to publish 5 unique blog posts for you for free in any inch, either food inch, make money inch, any kind of inch you want. We're going to publish 5 unique blog posts for you completely free. Then look at number 7, get it monetized within 7 days with affiliate program. I'm going to get this blog monetized with affiliate program, because one of the cool ways I make money from my blog is affiliate program, affiliate marketing. So I'm going to monetize that blog with affiliate program, monetize it with affiliate link. All the content, all the article are going to be monetized with affiliate link, with affiliate program, so that you can start making money from your blog immediately. And number 8 is going to install the necessary plugins that a blog needs. All the necessary plugins, about 25 or 20 plugins that every blog needs. I'm going to install them. Then number 9, it will be built with a contact form page, a contact form where people can easily contact you or reach out to you. Then number 10, I will also provide you with a complete video tutorial on how to update and publish posts on your blog. Also, I'm going to provide you a video tutorial on how you can update that blog, how you can also publish posts in your subsequent, if you want to publish any other post in the time, so you can learn how to publish. So in that video, I'm going to make a full tutorial on how you can do that. And not just that, number 11, I will add you to a closed group for support. I'm going to put those guys who get this offer into a closed group where I'll be also following them and be supporting them. Then number 12, this I'm talking about what you're going to benefit from this done for you blog. Then number 12, I will also show you where to get content to post on your blog for free. I'm going to show you website that I use to generate content, either for my blog, either for clients, or either for my social media posts. I'm going to show you where I get content to post on my blog that records on Google completely free. And also number 12, it should be monetized with AdSense. You see, some people prefer making money from their blog, either from Google AdSense or from other AdSense networks. So the cool thing is that this your done for you blog, I'm also going to monetize it with AdSense. Actually, it's not Google AdSense, but I'm going to monetize it with other AdSense that will help you make money, other AdSense that I'm using on my blog. I am sure this is what you want. So if this is what you want, I'm sure you must make sure you go for it. Click the first link at the description of this video and come to this page to contact me for this done for you blog. This blog could be a make money online blog, news blog, entertainment blog, real estate, and so many others. And this blog, I'm going to do all of that for you and also deliver the blog to you within the space of 7 days. 6 to 7 days, you're going to get your blog done for you. And I know that if I should give you price for this, you know it's going to be really big, but for the sake of Black Friday offer and for the sake of my audience, because I love you and there's nothing you can do about the love I have for you, so and because of the love I have for you guys, so I'm not going to charge you 500k or 200k or 300k. All you need, if you add fast to get this, is just 40k. Look at it here, just 40k. I'm going to set up this blog for you. Everything will be done for you with just 40k. You don't need to worry about hosting, about domain, about anything. Just pay your 40k and I will undo everything for you and I will deliver it to you within 7 days. But after the Black Friday offer, it will be going back to the normal price of 100k. Right here, it will be going back to 100k. So if you need this, hurry up right now. Click the link at the description of this video to chat me up. And when you come to this page, to get my contact, click here. Here is where you say click here to get your done for you blog. Just click on it, then you connect with me on WhatsApp. Here is it also. Just click on it, then you connect with me on WhatsApp. So make sure you don't miss this offer. You can also see the button here. If you click here, you also connect with me on WhatsApp. So make sure you contact me immediately, because this offer is just for a limited time. Once I cover the number of people I want, I will take the price to 100k. So I know you don't want to miss this, so make sure you chat me up right now. So if you have any question concerning the done for you blog or how to own the done for you blog, just leave me your comment at the description, at the comment section of this video. Anything you want to ask me concerning this done for you blog, just ask me at the comment section, or you can chat me up on WhatsApp and ask your question. So guys, see you again and see you inside this course or inside this offer. So guys, see you again in my next video. Love you. Bye bye.